Welcome to Knowledge Impact. Think you know everything about birds? Test your knowledge with our 50 birds quiz. Let's get started. Which bird can sleep while flying? Albatross, eagle, falcon. Option A. Albatross, correct answer. What is the fastest bird in the world? Eagle, falcon, hawk. Option B. Falcon, correct answer. Which bird can walk on water? Jacana, swan, duck. Option A. Jacana is correct answer. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? Parrot, crow, magpie. Parrot, right option. Which bird lays the smallest egg for its size? Eagle, kiwi, hummingbird. Option B. Kiwi. Which bird is famous for its courtship dance? Peacock, swan, flamingo. Option A. Peacock. What is the smallest bird in the world? Sparrow, hummingbird, finch. Option B. Hummingbird, correct answer. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Albatross, B. Condor, C. Eagle. Option A. Albatross. 9. Which bird can fly backward? A. Kingfisher, B. Hummingbird, C. Swallow. Option B. Hummingbird. Which bird is known for its bright pink color? Flamingo, cardinal, roseate spoonbill. Option A. Flamingo is right answer. Which bird has the strongest talons? A. Eagle, B. Hawk, C. Owl. Option A. Eagle. Which bird is known for its nocturnal habits? A. Sparrow, B. Owl, C. Robin. Owl is correct answer. Which bird is known as the symbol of peace? A. Dove, B. Pigeon, C. Swan. Dove is correct option. Which bird shows self-awareness in a mirror? A. Magpie, B. Parrot, C. Owl. Magpie is right option. Which bird is the fastest runner? Ostrich, emu, penguin. Option A. Ostrich. Which bird builds nests in chimneys? A. Swift, B. Swallow, C. Sparrow. Swift, option A, is right answer. Which bird is the largest living species? A. Ostrich, B. Eagle, C. Penguin. Ostrich. Which bird migrates the longest distance annually? Arctic tern, swallow, albatross. Arctic tern, right option. Which bird is known for its ability to dive at high speeds? Peregrine falcon, kingfisher, osprey. Peregrine falcon is right option. Which bird is the national bird of India? A. Peacock, B. Parrot, C. Crow. Peacock, option A, right answer. Which bird has a beak specialized for cracking seeds? finch, woodpecker, heron. Finch option A is right answer. Which bird is often seen in flocks and is known for its cooing sound? Pigeon, owl, crow. Option A, pigeon is right answer. Which bird has a pouch under its beak to catch fish? Pelican, heron, albatross. Option A, pelican. Which bird is known for its ability to hover in mid-air? Hummingbird, kingfisher, eagle. Option A, hummingbird. Which bird is the heaviest in the world? A, ostrich, B, swan, C, albatross. The heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich. Which bird song is often associated with the dawn? A, nightingale, B, robin, C, lark. Lark is correct answer. Which bird lays its eggs in other birds' nests? A, cuckoo, B, sparrow, C, finch. Option A, cuckoo is right answer. Which bird has the longest beak relative to its body size? Hummingbird, toucan, pelican. Toucan option B correct answer. Which bird holds the record for the longest non-stop flight? Option A, bar-tailed godwit. Which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees? Owl, falcon, eagle. Option A, owl is right answer. Which bird is known for its drumming sound on trees? Woodpecker, parrot, kingfisher. Woodpecker correct option. Which bird is considered the king of the skies? Eagle, falcon, hawk. Option A, eagle is correct answer. Which bird is famous for its rainforest courtship displays? Option A, bird of paradise. Which bird can mimic car alarms and chainsaws? Lyrebird, mockingbird, magpie. Option A, lyrebird correct answer. Which bird is known for its distinctive, mournful call? Dove, cuckoo, owl. Option A, dove is correct answer. Which bird is the national bird of Mexico? Golden eagle, condor, quetzal. Option A, golden eagle. Which bird is known for its intelligence and problem-solving abilities? Option A, crow is right answer. Which bird's feathers were once used as quill pens? A, goose, B, swan, C, eagle. Option A, goose. Which bird is known for its long neck and graceful flight? A, swan, B, crane, C, flamingo. Option A, swan is correct answer. Which bird is the heaviest flying bird? A, great bustard, B, albatross, C, eagle. Option A, great bustard. Which bird is known for its elaborate nest building? Option A, weaver is right answer. Which bird is known for its incredible sense of direction? Option A, homing pigeon. Which bird has the largest vocabulary? African gray parrot, cockatoo, budgerigar. Option A, African gray parrot. Which bird's name is linked to a dance move? Flamingo, penguin, swan. Option A, flamingo. Which bird is known for its long, elegant legs? Flamingo, heron, stork. Option A, flamingo. Which bird is known for its loud, laughing call? Kookaburra, parrot, toucan. Option A, kookaburra, right answer. Which bird is the national bird of Canada? Grey jay, loon, bald eagle. Option A, grey jay. Which bird can mimic other birds and animals? Mockingbird, parrot, crow. Option A, mockingbird. Which bird has the most powerful eyesight? Eagle, hawk, falcon. Option A, eagle, is correct answer. Last quiz, number 50. Which bird is linked to delivering babies in folklore? Option A, stork, is right answer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this bird quiz, make sure to subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video.